Hello students, Heron's formula. It is used to find out the area of the triangle. In the previous video, I explained about the area of the triangle when 3 points is given. And that formula is related to the modulus function. And Heron's formula, it is also used to find out the area of the triangle when 3 points given or when 3 lengths given. Let me explain about the Heron's formula. If A x1 y1, x2 b x2 y2, c x3 y3 are 3 points of a triangle, then area of the triangle is. If you are observing here, the triangle vertices are A, B and C. Small a, small b and small c are also given here. Once look at and observe here. What is the meaning of small a, small b and small c? Small a is nothing but length of BC. That is small a, which is the length of the side opposite to the vertex A. Small a vertex opposite length, side length is A. B vertex opposite side length, small b. C vertex opposite side length, small c. You can easily remember that BC length is A, AC length is B and AB length is C. Heron's formula is delta is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here A, B, C are the lengths of the sides of a triangle. This is A, this is B and this is C. What is the meaning of S? S is nothing but the half of the perimeter of the triangle. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Sum of all the sides. Sum of all the length of the sides are A plus B plus C. This is nothing but the perimeter, that is equal to 2S. Perimeter equal to 2S. Then from this we can find out the value of S, that is A plus B plus C by 2. This is the formula to find out the value of S. After finding out the value of S, you can substitute the values here. S into S minus A, A is length of side BC, into S minus B, B is the length of side AC, S minus C, C is length of AB, under square root. This is the formula to find out the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. Delta equal to square root of S into S minus C into S minus B into S minus C. Coming to the brief explanation here. Procedure to find area using Heron's formula with example. Same triangle given here. First step 1. Find the distance between BC. First find the distance between BC. When 3 points is given, A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 is given. First find out the distance of BC. That is equal to A. Distance of BC is A. Find the distance of AC. That is equal to B. That is equal to B. Find the distance of AB. That is C. AB equal to C. First we should do the steps. Distance of AB, BC and CA. Next, find the value of S by using the formula. So after we simplified the problem, BC, AC and AC, A and B, by using that A, B, C values, you can find out the value of S, that is S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Substitute A, B, C values here, then you can get the value of S. Step 5. Find the value of S minus A into S minus B and S minus C and then substitute in the given formula, that is delta equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is procedure. And example problem is, find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula, whose length of the sides are a equal to 4, b equal to 13 and c equal to 15. Just I taken the length of sides directly. If points has given, then you can find out the distance between the 2 points a, b, b, c and c. Then you can simplify the solution. Now the solution is, given that length of sides a equal to 4, b equal to 13 and c equal to 15. So that is a is opposite side length, that is a equal to 4. B is opposite side length, b vertex opposite side length 13. C equal to 15, opposite side length. Formula I taken here, I am going to substitute the values. Before that, I need to find out the value of s. S equal to a plus b plus c by 2. S equal to a is 4, b is 13, c is 15. After calculation, then you got the value s equal to 32 by 2, that equal to 16. That means s equal to 16. Now you got the values of s, a, b and c. I taken formula again here. Substitute the values s equal to 16. Just now we got it. A, B, C values as given in the problem. Substitute these values in the Heron's formula. That is delta equal to square root of s is 16 into s minus a 16 minus 4, s minus b 16 minus 13, s minus c 16 minus 15. After finding the calculation, 16 into 16 minus 4 is 12, 16 minus 13 is 3, 16 minus 15 is 1. After multiplying the 12 into 3 into 1, then you can get the 36, delta equal to 16 into 36. This is in the form of square root of a into b. Square root of a is square root of a into b is square root of a into square root of b. You can split the square root. If you split the square root, that is root 16 into root 36. Root 16 is 4 and root 36 is 6. Here, root 16 is 4 and root 36 is 6. These two numbers are under the multiplication. Then 4 into 6 equal to 24 square units. So this is the process to find out the area of the triangle when 3 points given or when 3 lengths given. Homework problem I given here. Find the area of the triangle whose length of the sides are 3, 4 and 5 units. By using the 3, 4, 5 units, you can find the area of the triangle. In your textbook exercise 3, some problems has given related to the area. And on some problems which is related to the Heron's formula. So that problems also you may do. And area from lower standard onwards, we are studying about the half into base into height, and delta equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is one formula previously explained. And now Heron's formula, that is square root of delta equal to square root of s into s minus c into s minus b into s minus c, where s equal to a plus b plus c by 2, that is equal to the half of the perimeter. So this is these are the methods to find out the area of the triangle. So up to exercise 3. So you may do the problems. If you are having any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you, students.